Hello everyone, myself Dr. K.S. Hari, Faculty, Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune. I was a participant in this 10-day faculty development program organized by KTHM College and SPPU Pune UGC HRDC. At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers for selecting me for this program. Well, I was applying for this program. I was a bit skeptical about how this online program is going to be happening especially during this crisis time we are going on. But the organizers has proved me wrong over a period of time by conducting it in a very effective manner, and it has been a great success for the KTHM College as well as the UGC HRDC Pune. They can be proud of that. The program has been a great success. And regarding the content of the program also, I am very happy that it has been a merge of commerce, economics and management. And we could learn many things about commerce management. Even though I am an economics faculty, I could learn many things about commerce and management as well. This may be true for other professors from other fields of management could learn about economics, especially in this crisis period, how the COVID is going to affect various economies, especially the Indian economy and all, and the impact upon the GST and other related issues. Apart from this, organizers ensured that there are enough lectures upon the improving our own teaching methodologies, especially on the online teaching platforms, how to use the online teaching platforms, how to use various softwares, especially for this PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, various recording softwares, and as well as data analysis softwares like MS Excel in a detailed manner. This has been a part of the FDP throughout the 10 days, and we really enjoyed the program. And I would like to thank the organizers, each and everyone who were behind this program. I would like to sincerely thank them, especially our coordinators, Dr. VB Baraste and Dr. SR Pagar, who were day and night were behind this program. Sometimes we used to get their updates even in the midnights. That shows that they were 24/7 working for the last 10 days. I would like to congratulate them, and from my heart, I would like to thank them for conducting this program. And I am sure that they are blessed with the guidance of Dr. VB Gaikwad, who is the principal of KTHM College, and coordinator Dr. ND Gaikwad. So these two people were the main brain behind this program, I'm sure, as well as our respected director of UGC MHRD HRDC in Pune, SPPU Pune, Professor S.A. Sonavane, who is also to be thanked at this occasion. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the there may be many people whose name may not be appearing in the brochure or the program, but I am sure there are many more people who are involved in conducting such programs. I am extremely thankful to them, and I congratulate for them for successfully conducting this program. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Dr. Rashi Arora from GS College of Commerce and Economics, Nagpur, and it is a pleasure to be giving this feedback for the 10 days faculty development program conducted by KTHM College and HRDC Pune. Friends, the challenging times that we are in due to the onset of COVID-19, we need to develop newer insights into the education sector, and this FTP was quite pertinent and apt in providing us with those insights. And for the entire successful conduct of this FTP, I must congratulate the hard-working team of KTHM College, and especially a special work to Dr. Vasant Boraste, the coordinator of our group. And I can only hope that such FTPs are conducted more often, since the teaching fraternity only stands to gain and through us, the most important stakeholders, the students. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Vidya M. Jirge, Assistant Professor of Commerce, presently working at Government First Grade College Khanapur, affiliated to Rani Chennamma University, Belagavi, Karnataka. I acknowledge my sincere thanks to Professor N.S. Umrani, Vice Chancellor, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, Professor Sanjeev Sonavane, Director, Faculty Development Center, UGC, HRDC, Savitribai Phule University, Pune. Dr. V.B. Gayakwad, Principal, KTHM College, Nasik. Dr. V.B. Bhoraste, Program Coordinator, Batch 1, KTHM College, Nasik. One who updated timely information and daily schedule through Telegram group to us. Dr. S.R. Pagar, Program Coordinator, Batch 2, KTHM College, Nasik, and Shri Ganesh Patil, and all the other organizing committee members who have taken the great initiative and put efforts for the success of this wonderful FDP during this pandemic situation with a proper theme on scenario of commerce, management, and economics education after COVID 19. The special thing of this FDP was it is very systematic, well planned, easy to understand, and providing such a nice platform for teachers' fraternity all over the India. My special thanks to all the resource persons from India and abroad for providing informative knowledge on various aspects such as COVID 19 awareness, SWOT analysis, COVID 19 and its impact on business, economic development, education, changes and amendments of company law, presentation of lecture through audio video, creating e-content for practical subjects, and much more. The daily quiz and assignments helpful for me to understand the concept clearly. I must proudly say that the outcome of FDP has shown the path of responsibility towards our duties in this pandemic situation. Really, it is very beneficial to every one of us for our profession. Lastly, I would like to request the organizers please provide us an opportunity to be a part of your upcoming events and programs. Thank you.
Hello, this is Professor Franklin Salvi, St. Vincent College of Commerce, Pune, and a participant in the FDP organized by KTHM College on the scenario in commerce management and economics post-COVID era. Let me begin by expressing my gratitude to the Director and Coordinator of HRDC Pune, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the Principal of KTHM College Nasik for taking such a noble initiative and conducting an FDP on a topic which is relevant and important in the COVID scenario. I also like to thank especially the coordinators of this event who have put in relentless hours of hard work in getting the program organized. The program has been organized professionally, systematically, and with regular updates to all the participants and with utmost humility. The FDP has been conducted very smoothly. There have been no glitches on the account of the organizers, and I congratulate you for this achievement. Thank you. I would also like to thank all the resource persons for their valuable input and thank KTHM for arranging such resource persons who has given us valuable insights which are not only going to help us in our professional life but also in our personal life to understand and handle the COVID situation as we are facing. Thank you, KTHM. Looking forward to more innovative FDPs like this in the near future. God bless, and God bless all the participants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suvarna Kurkute from Raya Shikshan Samstha, Dhananjay Gadge College of Commerce, Satara, which is affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I'm the participant of 10 days faculty development program organized by KTHM College in collaboration with Savitribai Phule University and HRDC. So I first of all thank the organizing team for selecting me as a participant out of 1500 applicants and giving me this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful event. I would like to thank the organizing team for organizing such a wonderful event. The efforts taken by the principal Dr. Gaikwad sir of KTHM College, the FDP coordinator, and his whole entire team has done a lot of efforts to make this event a grand success. I must say that this event was very well organized. It was a wonderful learning experience for the teaching fraternity. As in this COVID pandemic, we are in need of learning those teaching tools, then softwares which will be useful for us to teach the students, and this FDP has definitely enlightened us with all these softwares. And also the various resource person, those who enlightened us with the effect of COVID on various sectors or on Indian economy, this present scenario all over the world definitely has enriched our knowledge in real sense. And therefore I thank all the organizing committee for organizing such kind of a event. In future also I would like to be a part of any kind of event, such kind of event which would be organized by KTHM College. Actually earlier also I had attended the faculty development program organized by the same college, and because of the grand success and the way it was being organized, it is very well organized, and therefore I thought that second time also I should enroll my name in this FDP, and so I did that. And thank you for the selection, and thank you for giving us such a wonderful experience which has definitely enriched our knowledge. And with these few words I conclude and thank all of them for all their efforts taken by this committee, this whole committee, entire team, by updating us continuously about the lectures, continuously giving us an instructions about quizzes, assignment, and everything, whatever efforts these people have taken. They are really wonderful. With these few words I conclude and thank you once again.
Very good afternoon to one and all. I, Tanuja Devi, would like to express my feedback on 10 days FDP program organized by KTHM College, Nashik. The program was really very nice because in the program the topics covered were little different than usual FDP program. The CMA Swapnil Karade sir, then CS Pingre sir, their topics were really different and learning one. I especially liked the topic of Dr. Preeti Kulkarni madam. She has explained on SWOT analysis and resilience of organization that I like the most from this. I thank Buraste sir for arranging a lot of assignments, giving us a lot of quizzes and keeping us on our toes every day. So I thank you sir for such a wonderful engagement on 10 days FDP program. I especially thanks to Pingre sir also for this entire journey. He was always helping us and hand-holding. So thank you very much. And last but not the least, thank you Gaikwad sir for arranging such kind of wonderful 10 days FDP program, and which was a milestone for all the faculty members and guidelines to other colleges for organizing such kind of workshops. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ranpise Bhausaheb from the Padma Shri Vikhe Patil College, Pravarnagar, and the participant of 10 days online faculty development program organized by UGC HRDC Center, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, and KTHM College, Nasik. I am very thankful to the organizer that they are giving me an opportunity to give feedback in such wonderful and well organized online 10 days faculty development program. I am very thankful to HRDC Center of Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune, and KTHM College, Nasik, because the organization of FDP was excellent. The online video and the topic was really knowledgeable. On the behalf of all the participants, I would like to say here that we got much and more knowledge from this FDP. One more thing I would like to mention here, that the faculty development program was online, but it is my opinion that it was not online because from the last 10 days we were constantly attached with the assignment, quiz, and videos, etc. I am very thankful to the principal of KTHM College, Dr. V.B. Gaikwad sir, coordinator of this faculty development program, Dr. Vasant Borasti sir, and all the faculties, those who are actively taking hard efforts for the great success of this online faculty development program. Thank you.
Warm greetings to all. I, Mr. John Menezes, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from Bansangas SM Shetty College of Science, Commerce and Management Studies, Powai, Mumbai, feel highly privileged to be given this opportunity to express my feedback and gratitude towards UGC HRDC Savitribai Phule Pune University and KTHM College for the 10 days faculty development program on the scenario of commerce, management and economics education after COVID-19. The FDP was comprehensively constructed. The resource persons were highly knowledgeable and experienced. Quality was never compromised. The content was technology driven and has boosted much needed confidence to develop our very own e-content the effective way. This FDP has broadened my perspective towards teaching, learning and evaluation and will surely benefit at individual, community and institutional level. Hearty congratulations to the entire team. You have been humble and professional at the same time. I will surely look forward to the upcoming programs. Just to add, I have made use of the tools I learnt in this FDP to record this feedback. Thank you again.
Hello, myself Assistant Professor Kiran Temkar. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the KTHM College Management Principal for planning and conducting 10 days FDP during this lockdown period. I also like to congratulate the implementing team, FDP coordinator V.B. Borate sir, for efficiently managing the FDP. Special point that I would like to highlight: excellent technical support. All speakers were excellent to the theme of the FDP. All quiz are relevant to the theme. All assignments were designed in such a way to develop technical knowledge, updation on current scenario. Once again, thanks to all for this FDP. I hope in future as well you will conduct such type of FDP and we all are like to be part of it. Thanks a lot once again.
Tell me, and I forget. Teach me, and I may remember. Involve me, and I learn, says Benjamin Franklin. Good wishes to all. I, Assistant Professor Shanti Fernandez, from St. Mira's College for Girls, Pune, take immense pleasure in expressing our gratitude to the principal, management, vice principal, and the organizers of KTHM College Nasik for efficiently organizing the 10 days faculty development program on the scenario of commerce, management, and economics education after COVID 19 and actively involving us in the learning process. Topics were very contemporary and very relevant and apt to the present times. Almost every area was covered under this FDP, right from personal finance and investments, personal, family, and community health and safety, education, emphasizing on effective preparation of online contents, effective curriculum delivery, developing digital infrastructure, what kind of campuses we need to prepare with proper hygiene, sanitization, and social distancing. What is the economic and business scenario both in India and globally? And also various policy measures and its implications on various sectors, legal implications, GST with current examples, research areas and methodology which could be explored during or post COVID. The resource persons were amazing with expertise in their field who shared their treasure of knowledge and experience with us, like Dr. Lashkare, who has authentic information about COVID as he's working in that field. Assignments made candidates brainstorm their minds, their views, ideas, and trained us for the use of technology through digital submission with Google Docs, attaching on Google Drive, a preparation of PPTs, videos, and so on. It also made sure the candidates actively participate. The organizers were so methodical and very systematic, cooperative, personally contacting and guiding, putting the schedule in advance, and so on. For example, few of us who were selected for the FDP had email ID issues, where the coordinators took the personal initiative in contacting and guiding us. As the time is running short, with these few words, I wish KTHM College, Nasik, all the resource persons, and you, my dear friends, a very successful journey in the field of education and technology. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.